This is Scott the Fix-It Guy. Our goal with our videos is to empower you to be able to do the repairs on your own and save a whole lot of money and also get that great feeling of having fixed it by yourself. So we have a older Maytag washing machine that's leaking, so whenever the machine's used it creates quite a bit of a flood. We're going to check a couple things. We already checked the hoses on the back and they look fine. And there was no water coming from the standpipe in the wall, like it wasn't backing up. We'd have no evidence of that. So somewhere in the machine there's a leak. We're taking out these two Phillips head screws from the bottom front, and this is going to allow us to get the front panel off. We can get a better look. We've already got it unplugged. It's okay to still have the water connected in the drain. We're just unplugging it, and we're going to pull the panel out toward us about 45 degrees. It'll come right off. And then in the upper left-hand corner in the back, there's this thing called the injector that very often is the cause of the leak. And you can just replace this. It's pretty cheap. You can get these injectors online. Easy to do. But if that is not the leak, if it was a leak, you'd see it in the back on the upper left-hand side. But if it's not the leak, there's a couple other things that you can look at. Another is right here above this thing called the transmission, up between the tub and the transmission. You may see some water pouring out, and that's the tub seal right where my thumb is, right above that. And it's a pretty lengthy procedure to replace it, but they do wear out, and this could be the source of the leak. In this machine, it was leaking pretty severely from this point. So when you would run it, you'd see a lot of water dribbling out. So these are the two most common causes. The tub seal, there's a lot of good videos on how to replace that, and the injector, which is again up in the upper left hand corner, which is more commonly the source of the leak. In this case though, it was coming from the tub seal. So we got that inspection done. We're going to put the front panel back in by putting the clips in at about 45-degree angle at the top. We'll close the bottom, and then we'll add those two Phillips head screws. And that was definitely on this washing machine the source of the leak was the tub seal. But it's good to check those hoses on the back. It's good to check the injector. And out of all those possibilities, one of those is most likely the cause. We do see sometimes that standpipe in the wall backs up, and that can cause a pretty bad flood too. So I hope this helps you to identify your leak. So thanks so much for watching, and please subscribe to our channel when you get a chance.